So you're gonna get the Vive blood pressure monitor for at home. In this video, I'm gonna show you everything that you see with your purchase and a quick guide on how to use this, but it's super, super easy to do. So you're gonna get the monitor itself, which is very small, the size of your hand. You're gonna get the sleeve that goes onto your arm, and this just connects here, and I'll show you how to do that in 1 second. And this does take batteries. It's gonna take 4 AAA batteries, but they do supply you with it, so you don't need anything of your own. But now at this point, I'm gonna bring the camera around you a little bit closer, and I'll show you how to get this thing hooked up and working. Okay, so now to get this working, it's very, very simple. So batteries just go in the back, super simple. But what we're gonna do now is hook up the arm sleeve to it. So that just goes on the side, just like this. You just gotta push it in there. And just like that, you are good to go. So we're gonna now put the arm sleeve on. We'll get this thing started and we'll see what the blood pressure is reading. Now, as for the sleeve, they're gonna give you arrows. So that's gonna be where you want your arm to be. So we're just gonna slide this in there. Hopefully you can still see that. And then it'll just be Velcro. So we're just gonna take this now, Velcro it around. You want it on there a little bit tight, but not overly tight. Okay, so we got the sleeve on now. So now we're just gonna go onto our monitor here and we're gonna hit start. It'll take a couple seconds and then it'll start to fill up and it'll start to check your blood pressure. So it takes maybe, like I just showed you, 10 seconds to get set up. Nothing crazy, and then you can start using this and get your readings. Now they do say don't talk during it like I'm doing. You shouldn't drink coffee before. And they have also like an instruction manual just to make sure that you're getting the best reading on there. But that's how you do it. Super, super simple to use. And this is what it's going to look like when it does give you the reading. So just calculate the numbers for you, and at the end, give you a number. So this is super, super easy to use. If you are in a position where you need to check your blood pressure, this is like going to be really an affordable, simple way to do it. So I'm a big fan of this. Super easy to use, like I showed you. So I give it 2 thumbs up.